There are many ways to make $1,000 per month, including starting a side business or freelance gig, selling items online, renting out a room on Airbnb, investing in the stock market, participating in online surveys or focus groups, driving for a ride-sharing service, providing tutoring or teaching services, creating and selling online courses or e-books, doing gig work on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, investing in real estate. It's important to note that some of these options may require significant time and effort, while others may have more potential for long-term income. It's also important to be mindful of any legal or financial requirements. Sure, here is a brief summary of each of the options I listed. Starting a side business or freelance gig. This could involve offering a service or selling a product that you are knowledgeable or passionate about. For example, if you are an experienced graphic designer, you could offer your services to small businesses or start your own online shop selling designs. Selling items online. This could include selling items you no longer need on platforms like eBay or Amazon, or starting your own online store. Renting out a room on Airbnb. If you have an extra room in your home, you can rent it out to travelers on Airbnb. Investing in the stock market. Investing in the stock market has the potential to generate high returns, but it also comes with a degree of risk. It's important to do your research and invest wisely. Participating in online surveys or focus groups. Some websites and apps will pay you to complete surveys or participate in focus groups. Driving for a ride-sharing service. You can earn money by driving for companies like Uber or Lyft. Providing tutoring or teaching services. If you are knowledgeable in a particular subject, you can offer tutoring or teaching services to students. Creating and selling online courses or e-books. You can create your own online course or ebook and sell it on platforms like Udemy or Amazon. Doing gig work on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. These platforms connect freelancers with clients who need specific tasks done, such as graphic design, writing, or coding. Investing in real estate. Investing in rental properties can generate steady rental income, but it also requires a significant initial investment and ongoing management.